Always, YouTube. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, gents, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Since you guys can see that we provide a lot of value. After this video, you will definitely see that we provide a lot of value. So I would advise you to subscribe. For the returning subscribers, gents, thank you so much. So today we're gonna be looking at US30, just a very quick breakdown on US oil. I mean to say, I'm sorry about that. US oil is looking really good long term. So I just want to take you guys through what I see, and then most probably you guys will also benefit from this one. So yeah, just without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So as you guys can see, I'm looking at the weekly time frame, looking really good. Price is pushing to the upside, series of higher highs and higher lows. As you guys can see, we've been breaking structures to the upside. We broke structure here. I just want to do this so that this will be clear to you gents. So let's just say pause, break of structure, and then we're just gonna copy and paste. Yeah, copy, and let's just paste twice so that we can have one here, and then we broke structure there, and then we also broke structure there. So this is a bigger time frame overview. As you guys can see, according to the bigger time frame, we are in a very clean uptrend until we take out this low here. Should price take out this low, we will definitely know that we are changing in character most probably. But then as you guys can see, price it's on an uptrend, right? So now obviously when price is on an uptrend, we're looking for those nice opportunities to the upside. Obviously there are ways that we can counter trend. There are ways that we can counter trend. Maybe let's say the overall movement is moving to the upside, we see that, but then there are ways that we can take to push with price to the downside. If it's pushing to the downside, we cannot wait for price to push back to OBs before we can take trades. Otherwise we won't trade for months, so there's a way that we use to counter trend. So in this one, gents, obviously overall trend is an uptrend. We have identified that, so we just want to see our areas of interest. So in this one, from the weekly time frame, this will be our nice area of interest. As you guys can see, price did not tap into that yet, so we still expect price to pull back to tap into this nice order block before pushing to the upside overall. So that's what we're looking at from a weekly time frame, dropping down to a daily just to see what's happening on a daily time frame. So gents, if we can focus on a daily alone and then look at this piece of price action here, we will see that the market is in a very clean downtrend, a series of lower lows and lower highs. As you guys can see, we've been breaking structures to the downside. So this is a very clean downtrend, and then price was moving to the upside. Gave us the last low, which is this one here, the last low. This is the last low on a daily. Obviously it took it out there, and then it changed in character on a daily time frame. It started pushing to the downside, and then this has been giving a lot of nice setups. If you guys been following, you will see we've been having a nice order blocks. We've been having nice patterns building up to the trades that were happening here. So yeah, in this one, gents, we just want to see what are we gonna be looking to get in this one. So obviously now let's talk about the recent price action. As you guys can see, we took broke structure here. So obviously, gents, once price breaks structure, we expect price to pull back to an order block, right? So as you guys can see, this is the order block that we can identify from a daily time frame. The reason why we can see that smart money was involved, the price completely took off after creating that order block. So I wouldn't be surprised to see price pushing back from where it is all the way till this OB, and then start dropping again, giving us some sort of a nice pattern coming for this order block, maybe giving us something like that, so that we can look for those nice buying opportunities. So this is what this is what I see actually on US oil so far. So obviously, with that being said, should price push back up to this area here, it means we can start looking for those buying opportunities so that we can take advantage of the market, right? So this is what I'm saying, this is what I talk about when I say counter trendy, because the trend is pushing to the downside. Yes, we know that, but then there's a high potential of price pushing back to the upside. So with that being said, we will take advantage of those buying opportunities as well. So as you guys can see, we are going to a H4 time frame and then see what's happening again on H4 time frame for us to look for those nice counter trends. Obviously, it seems like price will create this area here as a liquidity area. We know that price has to do that just to catch people on the right side of on the wrong side of the market. Should price push back up here, people will be looking to buy from those areas here because they will be seeing double bottom, right? So they will be looking to buy, but then their stop losses will be somewhere around those areas there. And then obviously this is what smart money want to do. Actually, they want to catch people on the wrong side of the market so that they can make the money, right? So now with that being said, we're just gonna be focusing on H4, what's been happening. As you guys can see, this piece of price action has a lot of information for us to be active in this market. So as you guys can see, price has been pushing to the downside. As you guys can see, very corrective, giving us this corrective nature, showing that price might start pushing to the upside for this OB here. Price doesn't have to come for this one, it can come for that one and start dropping from there. But then obviously we know how to deal with that. We use patterns to identify which order block will play out the most. So I hope you guys already know that. If you don't know, just let us know in the comment section so that we can do a video on that. But then yeah, let's just focus here. As you guys can see, we've been breaking structures to the downside, so this is a very clean downtrend as well. So where is our last low? This is our last high. I mean, not low, the low is here, the last high is here. So obviously with that being identified, this is where we're gonna be looking for those nice opportunities now. So as you guys can see, if price should price take out this high, obviously we will know that okay, price took out the high. This is completely the character has changed completely, because the we don't expect price to take out the high. If it does, then we expect price to change in character. And then knowing with that in mind, that price has to come for this order block, we know that yes, price can definitely take out the high. We're expecting that, and then we just gonna be looking to see if price is gonna push back to our areas of interest very correctively. This will be a nice area of interest down here. Obviously it can come all the way till there before pushing to the upside, but then this has a very high possibility of playing out. So we just want to see price pushing back into that area, very corrective, giving us a nice pattern, and then definitely gonna take this all the way to the upside, and we might have something like this again, and then another push to give us something like a nice pattern so that we can re-enter here and sell the markets to the downside here. So this is what I see on US30. Obviously it might take a little bit of time to develop, but then yeah, it will be worth it. It will be worth it. I hope you guys will be able to take advantage of this one. So this was the setup of the day. I will try to do more setups during the week. Unfortunately I cannot do the market analysis, the midweek market analysis, because most of the pairs that we covered are still developing even now. So most probably we'll have nice entries on Friday, because remember Friday is NFP. But then yeah, man, we don't have a lot lined up for this week. But then yeah, I hope you guys took a lot of it out of this video. I hope you guys learned a lot as I was explaining, and then I hope you guys will take advantage of this one. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section what you want me to analyze for you guys. Last time I had a comment that I should do US30. I'll do it for you, gents. We'll also do Nasdaq for you, gents, most probably tomorrow. Yeah, we'll most probably do that for you, gents. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, share, comment, do all that great stuff so that this video can reach more people and then help more people, gents. So help thank you so much for watching, and I would like to see you guys in the next video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, gents. Don't forget to subscribe, and then I appreciate you guys so much. See you in the next video. Always, gents.